Hello, and today I would like to give you a demonstration of how to use the Poodle function within the Rich editor when you're creating a new discussion topic. So first I've created a new topic, playing with Poodle. And here's my message demonstrating how to use Poodle audio and video recording functions. Now I'll just toggle here to show you more functions. And we're interested in, this is recording MP3 audio, record audio, and record video. So let's try record MP3. This says record, stop, pause, play. And I'm going to record. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I paused it. It's my son's birthday today, so that's why the message. We'll continue. Happy birthday, dear Dan. Happy birthday to you. Stop. Let's play it to see if it works.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, quite embarrassingly it works.
Happy birthday, dear Dan. Happy birthday to you.
And there wasn't any difference where I paused it. There wasn't much overlap or break. So I'll upload that. And we'll insert them. Okay. And I'll write here, happy birthday audio. Okay. Now that was MP3. Let's try this recording methods. So today, because it's my son's birthday, we're going to, again I'll just pause, the beach. The weather in Japan is quite nice, so we'll go and play at the beach. It's maybe about 15 degrees, 10 to 15 degrees. I'll play that to check that it's recorded.
So today, because it's my son's birthday, we're going to the beach. And the weather in Japan is quite nice, so we'll go and play at the beach. It's maybe about 15 degrees, 10 to 15 degrees.
Upload that. There was a little break in the audio, just where you heard me press the keyboard. Call this birthday to the team. Now let's try the video recording. Oh, there I am. Okay, you can see the mess in the background. My web camera is working. And we'll record. Okay, so for my son's birthday, he got lots and lots of trains, and he's really excited. And he's got a Chuggington hat, and his sister had to get a present as well, so that she wouldn't feel jealous. So she got some toy food. Stop that. Look. insert that too. I'll call this birthday presents. Alright, thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope it was interesting for you. Until the next time, have a nice day.